As a Bradford, as a me Sakodi and Shatawali.
Ube, or up with the other Sakodi.
You made any Abruana and the
So who's Russia?
Russia, good.
I come to call mine.
I don't better as a Democrat.
Watch your friend.
Every woman was ever delegate and Shassiana. Yes, I do need that you better show from. Delegate and him, where the Ayabra Hosem. And Quadanua, yes, Yakum or Nankasano. We cried and Cassa Noa, Pennyfosu or Hunankasabia, Warrior Shishamu, a womb, Chakra Dinsem, and a making. And then Kurano Bakwabekan wore mine. Once I can near Bommy and Son, they say, Bushianfu Frobiso, the what the Abeca home, Yanya Rutabeka, Abeca home. Rutabeka, and who said Caneno, may a root love questing, Prisla, Mantibia crunchy, on a Prisla blessing Bentum, and they say, Aquadafo Fronoso, now for Chester, why Yira, Matriciano, Muhuno, Rutabeka, or so Nymphony Edda Hasebi. Near say, forensic experts, no wash away Juma Sin ran or Mosasia. Some posts are here, Nina, say Bushianwatia, say what the Bema, it's a DNA test, no, but in focus, see a mawabosome. Jumanoa, they say, or may more oppressive for your symphony, ye quote you call Bremai, Nina will be, ya will bet media yan Shimuno, Washasia, ya boy, yet, sir, and Shimunina. Now, free senior high schools and semi so dear, and no, I yet in yet. And the way Kokana way by Wobeguno, where she own a yet the end ye bet to us so. Near Senano, Mampanida da Mama. What call Yanasa what they call two Jaffa Free Senior School, no delegate Braford training, Mahama backtracks on Free Senior School, Timinim Yodi Kakaya. Was it finally Braford the buy, no? Mampanida da John Dramani Mahama, I admit to say, Nana do administration ye, and I won't the Free Senior High policy no abba, ya what they buama near Metrimia was on so bad, Wabet was so. Oh, delegate send you situation on us and no one that one no brofo no na yes say film query yes no kwada ye wo senior high school mu free wifi any kwada e be browser wo be browser
one kind vice president
digitization papa digital
okay and they didn't know
oh
it's all no this digitization
me come sure oba ye no say that china man for can say no oba economy no be sesa ne me ho de enko ye papa na digitization ne de and your shall free port to one more see full stop. A teacher, Stachibuedu, presidential correspondent, and watcher Edia Basse. Mampania Bedia Chase, a film query, yano, na secondary school, so ye warm meyimuno. Anya bia no near Wabeshasia, Edia pilot and idiot, na wife no, edition for, and ye unipa crokita phone, Kwana, Pesodia researcher, Google Beko, near Peso Yebiano, Ubechmia Conti, delegate near what they are baby and no.
Your father, Wokrata, friends, a daily dispatch, and Fantois, and Ney, dispatch and him, and what is my Baba Tuja. Opening our on around what they want some sort of my emu, then in phone the hapa. Wapena me, and I can open you pa GMP, one and down Alex Mood. What the Atuja was so awkward, what and way in America, Wapena free or buy one more than pa and canka. PDS deal. What they want some bam on Chesa Ghana edition in other Bino was opening. Was a boy and some man share. And it was a Ghanaians must congratulate Ameu for exposing alleged deal in PDS. Opening Alice Mood, name some of the other two Montana. Now I also am penning for you the ha. And some in a dispatch or the other Montana was a man penning war bon trois with Fremantum we no commentum we walk out with Shannon and Matracunya, walk out with Shagana this year, walk out with Shadun Forma, any Adinina and Trabon Wobble. No happen to Takramania was a 2020. Why when this Amanukumu bedin two? And some because we won a daily dispatch. What they about?
One of these answers.
Dispatch in a Troy.
Research.
So
2020.
We are research.
Almost 2020.
We are research.
2020.
Or my research.
I don't want your research into one.
When you must go research. Lovely. This is lovely. Observe the chronicle at so. Now, chronicle ni mampani na nado and nimfonyi da hasei. Na mampani si nipa bi wo Ghana one day mampani da Jerry John de no onya kokuduro no waka greedy bastards. Na mampani de se da bi was greedy criminals. Enti mpanimfo no bia won time so deba was a Ghana for be one Mayimua, Wamono, Sawofra one say, good citizens say, ye, Wamu greedy criminals, na say any panel, and a ne wabo money fertilizers, and quarter to show make we have when your bidia go no basho. Nipa yinam, and I say one se fertilizers, and what your trouble, Wakono, Aquacoton, Womuvia, no say greedy criminals in Nina. Approach if one chichi was say ya one chichomo no monfa mrakwaso evise any pan wo bom man etina samu ache say mampani wo call amentifia poemantem de nana what information abapa o
wakokasa o
o bebre
wakasa papa na me say nana kasa sa o
wakasa
nana kasa
ni bilingual baby also the French to on what they ato ho
nana kasa o
otibrofo
ayo wakasa papa
ozi ayo yentu asona yenko yanimwe na John Bedi akonso de ya watwa bani we de ya abra hosem abusua prosini ba wo ye adwuma wojina dwuma chese bo ye adwuma so mo my Ghana ya nipa bi kotu etuogu ne buomu ekuma mi ya na sase mu eni ya me ya wo ho ne se yesi wo mu tutuo ni nyina no ma mi ni soa ni Jesus ni esa tuegu ne so aprosifo ye bo northern region nyina chese ye ka wo baba ko anu wo bo adwuma won say o man prosi adwuma ni ye nta nyamma wo hye so we Mami Rose bio atenga ni din ma hye ni ye so wan hye ni ye mewie no afre Mami Rose bio atenga okwa pension na o sir spray them shoot them
also na ho keka wo soro pa
spray them and na make eastern region or actions eti Mami yesesa adwuma ni bi na no ye wo northern region General Corporal Agata na bin ena chesa akromfo ekum no na omo edi sa nyambransam ne yesi we di nyame adom ye che wo se ya ena yasa chimienu aka nipa ya che wo dada no ho etunya the chronicler ebi ewomu abetumi akenkan
the New Independent Democrat ye de to aso ne yeso kobono Bunu East any half region coalition of consent teachers nani achechefo a wati wo kuotwetwopo a wodi hu dwuma wo bo afuse tam wo se hwie be September bosome ne de wo betie tua wodi okuku ne wakaka nyina da ebego ne nyina ne se Ghana Education Service Force compulsory by force omuntia to bi na eto ne ye de kwaye de yesi insurance no na de insurance me maka chese me pay insurance chese de etwa ma awo kra eti o ma dankraye mu ne se wo mo se panyufo amma bebi so wo mo se mo pe anasa mo mpe de wo mo ya ne se atiti o musika no na o ma bom panyufo agba wodaye eti se se de wo betintes kokko de ache Ghana panyufo kanka Ghana Education Service de be ya wo chena bi so obisika da ha o mo fo mo nsa enkoka de obokrata ye friend said the New Independent to de aba na re anso a wo so afo na hwe de wo ho nsam so kwadwo ponkroma ni fo nyini da ha wo aba be kan sem bi a ne ma woka nyina da ene se sabe okonoma no makuruma nyina kwancha nwini pribu se PDS sensam ne ye hwemu de afa ho etu obi kogina baabi na so okoka se bi aba mu nkrofo bi ene wani PDS fo koye kana na so wo me Ghana frakadama na ze nipa kro no asem na woka na nsisi so was claims government officials conspired in PDS deal illogical kwajo ponkroma enene nsama wodi aba the New Independent Democrat no so ekruche
and emfa the custodian so entoaso na wono wose dem fearless fair and reliable no wodi aba na esoafo ya bohwe empotamu amamu so Mame Hajia Alima Mahama na da bia ni duku no wabosa na ni chen kakra da ni kom ene won so ni mfonyi da ha no wose wo ye a DC wo ye MC wo wo mayimu na adwuma na de ahye wonsa no ntumi nya ye be yiwadi na ne empanimfo kanie wo mo se DCs ne MCs no ayeyi wo se bonya adwuma no ebi wo ho no mo calculations 1+1 ebi ntumi nye obi wo no mo sika budget no ayaye no behwe na afa ne nsase wo koye nhwehwemu wom na bisa ne se maami e papa e ade ya nkose wo se meso sika ni mini ye na chese won tie adwuma no ase sa nipa ni nyina ne yese enei mampani na nado wa she local government ministry no ama omo aye evaluation ehu chese performance asa MMDCs ni nyina wode agu fam enti yese eni chebie free na yi kono sa wote sa yayi DC bia DMC bia dia na chese non performing DCs no wakamo wonum kamo yesi ebeyi omu nyina di ne empanifo mo nkamo mo na GRA so opani kofinti ena ne mfonyi da ha ade ba akwa wo mayi mu da bia empanifo ka che ne ye kan budget wie ya na omo de aba ye be widen tax net no enso ye widen da na na de owura kofinti se wa widen was he what were rolling out measures on Mode by NTO near Maguaquemu. Was he say nipa kakra bi etua to wo mayimu a ebi ntua eso da bi omusuna baba yakwana baba yesi e betretem ezo nipa kro di dwa na dwa betua to wudi dwa a wo betua to ni nyina ye nhehye ya mpanimfo edeba
yari the statesman de obokrata in ye de eto aso na nei ensama wode aba wo mapanyina be de achi se say wifi de ko senior high schools ahodo se de be ya adesuafo no wo betumi anya bie na pete prepre wode asua de ewonsama ba enei brofo wode ato so was wired to learn we a pilot projector and pay for her said be a bit me about so na me how say ye de come on and on a computer tablet and as a phone and wo de be
well yeah because I and come senior said in but quickly ma yentimin kwa ma so yin komo bi mbra back ba na ma be wrap up my way free we Edward Tutor founder executive convener Dynamic Youth Movement of Ghana Kratabia onatro ediakora mrashibedwe making krata na kakransa ma ba so but my memo watching in your bema Edward Boko there. Hello, Edward Bokordia. Hello, Edward Bokordia.
Me pato anyame adom me hu ye pa.
Okay, then nyame ase. Minute ba komesa about so Krata say the Clerk Parliament of the Republic of Ghana Accra DSA ECG takeover request for full parliamentary record. We will be most grateful if you could furnish us with the full record of all proceedings of the ratification of the concession agreement between the government of Ghana and the consortium of investment by the Parliament of Ghana. We particularly need the record on 1, the report of the Joint Committee of the Finance and Mines and Energy on the above named agreement. 2, the entire proceedings on the floor by the House on the ratification of the above named agreement. 3, the attendance by members of parliament on the day of ratification of the above named agreement. We count on your cooperation, and on behalf of the Dynamic Youth Movement, Edward Tutor, Anna assign. Eddie, so yep. Basically what is it that Moko Pepe Sankrata with the idea?
Openi medawase na mede nchia emu dube bema atifu nina. Edi kan PDS matai abetudwa Ghana for yekeka enho asem bebre. Yen no yehunu say PDS asemi no it goes way beyond corruption. It goes way beyond negligence on the part of government. It goes way beyond the allegation of fraud. To yen Dynamic Youth Movement of Ghana no yen yehunu say that this possibility of huge conflict of interest and possible negligence on the part of Parliament as an institution. I don't think America, sir. In the first place, agreement we are by no idea asha check akra right from 2014. I almost said the Abmida board needs and same. So into a Juma akomupa and all this while a Juma no Parliament and all this while it has been in Parliament. Parliament, Omar Jojo Semnum, they have deliberated, they have set up parameters and conditions. So to have been expected, say, answer, Omobe ratify agreement, no, finally, no. Every possibility of conflict of interest, every possibility of negligence would have been what? Avoided up onto this stage. But what are we seeing? We are looking at a total mess that will make any 1 minute Ghanaian act. So did we really have parliamentarians, did we really have professionals who scrutinize through these agreements really, that we will now turn around and come and say that we have been defrauded? It's a dorsum. But we as an anti-corruption organization, we are focusing strictly on conflict of interest and negligence. The committees in Parliament that supervise this whole transaction, the Finance Committee and the Committee on Mines and Energy, so they form a joint committee. Now, the committee had full details of all the companies that were coming together to form a consortium, to form PDS that would take over from ECG. So they had the company registration of Miracle, the company registration documents of TG Energy Solutions, and the other companies. Now, a member of parliament for second, Honorable Andrew Ejapa Mesa, he is a director of TG Energy Solutions. On what Babontin Abeka. So he was a director. However, he was serving on the behest of somebody. Obi Abruchin and Nipan Kachen is a on-forming company man, and he should be a director. But we all know, say, when we say you are a director of a company, meaning you have a shareholding interest. Say, Obi Ponasi the company, honors you, Minia, I'm giving you a shareholding right. It means when they declare profit, you are also going to benefit. Whether it is your money, or whether somebody gave you capital to invest, or whether a shareholder gave you part of his ownership, at the end of the day, so long as you are a director, when profit is declared, you are going to be entitled to dividend. That is all we all know. It's so. The Committee on Mines and Energy, when they were doing their due diligence, did they ever come across a name like Andrew Japamesa as a director of one of the companies? Did they also consider the fact that as a sitting member of parliament, the agreement is now yet to be approved, and that a Japamesa as a member of parliament must vote on behalf of the people of Sekendi? And did they also know that if that is going to happen, it means this person who is an MP is going to be voted in favor of an agreement that he's going to benefit from personally? Did the committee consider that? Let's come to Article 98. Now, Article 98 Clause 2 of the 1992 Constitution. Article 98 Clause 2. Or say, a member of parliament shall not hold any office of profit or emolument, whether private or public, and either directly or indirectly, unless permitted to do so by the Speaker acting on the recommendations of a committee of parliament on grounds that A, holding that office will not prejudice the work of a member of parliament, and B, no conflict of interest arises or will arise as a result of the member holding that office. This is what Article 98 Clause 2 is saying.
Okay, so in effect, sir, and Kratana were requested from Parliament, somebody to Anamombe.
Sisiano, we want to go to the Supreme Court. Now, Yama Ajaji Fono, I give the interpretation to Article 98 Clause 2 and Article 284 of the Constitution, which also talks about conflict of interest. But Sisiano, the only way we can take this action is when we are served with Nukrenewa Assembly. That is why we are requesting of the Speaker. Number one, say, Honorable Japamesa, did he ask permission? If he asked permission, the committee, and this we are talking about the Committee on Members Holding Office of Profit, did the committee grant him permission to go and operate in the energy sector of Ghana? And did the committee really consider the fact that the permission that they are granting him, that permission warrants him to now serve as a board member, to serve as a shareholder of a company that Parliament is yet to even give an agreement for that company to go and take over power distribution over from ECG? Now we want to know these things. Now, when we get this thing from the Speaker, that one, our first interest has been satisfied.
But Eddie, I'm sure I also be confused here with a lot of these things because clearly, Nyoma Okeke Inano say my Domkuma Domwa Jim US Amamu Kuram paying for Unsiomane Mogana had Domwa Jim Ghana by or Sheminumi no Susu din Hua Jim say the word is thorough investigation. Beyond thorough investigation on the part of government. Eddie Bim the Eddie.
And I'm going to say, Assembly
soon, and say, Abayama Bosumi, say, Assembly Suntino, Yen Train and Jessa Shimuni, who now seen to Ma, yet me to Wanamo. Nothing now also causes a number when now Bafa, we see a ra, San Shimun, a bear can set a bind the Nana.
Yankasi, I was not investigation.
What do you see? Era a Japamesa, more person will say, not new whom be Bra Mrasibujum, near to a ban, ye decide the Unkomana.
See, dear, or no, Jatum say, Nidu movie.
O say, more person Munyan Krata, Edia dance, yes, say. Now, Cahonia to a Bra, ye decide the Unkomana.
Esan say, said the Din Cajon and I yet to a banner. it means he is voting for an agenda that is going to inure to his personal benefit, which is against the law.
But sometimes we are no money behind a waste of everybody's time. Because we're not straight away. Oh, who can say Ghana need this year? Go to Parliament and just get it. Now, when you say from I'm saying, usually you might have an intent which is good, but clearly sometimes I think it's a more confusing system too much. Because if you said the whole make up Santi can walk to Parliament, request of them say Madaruma, their question person me additional me team was now, but Bibia done now convener. Well, it's not surprising because we are getting to that time of the year. Next year, or a lot of conveners will come. It been the marshal say more convening, but I support your cause, but let's do what is right and let's not make the whole situation chaotic. As if say BC that and a new money far. Let us believe that the minority in Parliament won't me ebe watch near keep vigil, then advance for 30 days able sumi odamano. You be sure it will come to an expected end. Then always trying to because clearly this one walk to Parliament. You have this information. In fact, your MP can get you this information. And your information so sacred say Adiana say no. I think sometimes some of these things, my man for your time anyway, because some of these is some of these things sometimes become emotionally too much.
Say vote of proceedings no and now say bia a course so parliament no
and you shall name that office. We don't get to the bottom of the case. You shall name that also.
Oko Hansard office on
the conveners are going but let me caution people. So your man will be a 3x4 be a suit or TTB convener a whole lot of things. Way are there will be catchers and also the bed with the another baby.
No man or say I feel no article no. Ebia wate dada. But point in necessary and near ma was who here near what can dear. And your uncle Hansard office on more or mube man or who say you crack it a be. Ela Udogbe, Ekitabia, a woman pefe say that day no. Na a Japamesa was a one movie. Entino said, Nunco any idea or so here there, and your uncle and Sabbath.
You, Mumma, she. Wrap up nothing. We see.
Now there was
ya be 2020 your mind. See ya.
Akra dia. Oh, obi dia ya. Ne say, one say nyoma dodo na da yanim ebrinim asese adwene ho asoman ukọ baabi am na akua free sisi ya boro hafo a o makichiche mene ya de so ani ntimi kura nso anwi we ma ba okuru ma be so de aba nti ya gebre ne sa na yesi atwi aban adwe susu bo sha hodo de hye de wa ye ne de onye ne de onye ne yi ne de ya koye na ada ne ya ka che de oti opposition se ye hu bi pen nti de empa na mbeka che dan so pa exactly my
PDS nsem no de say ye ka say ehia na ye bo ehia ehia pa say wo se kom ne hu ye o place negligence yi say ye hu ye ma bi wom na mom se nipa bi obi afa so ofa ho gigi ne din ne de e ho na problem no wo no enti mpanimfo mo so mo ye nhwehwemu nyina onda ne de ne ya kire no ba bi a onkoje nkra
me hu ne say we no e bi anim na onim e bi a yemfa ne say nim na onim say e bi a obetumi akọ Hansard office no akọ because we nke simple and once we afaka akọ parliament heavy dey obrafo heavy
e wo so si mo acho
happy birthday wo so wa mama anya eda bekume elder Samuel anini se ne ba adi emfie nkono ne ba o ne ba wachem no awo no enti Austin ne ba ni din ade Austin kuma anini wadi 9 years
ba wakan kasa na kan one enchim see a pie bi anamwa
ebi wo hono mo possible
ebi wo pie bi wo so ya chim okay jakwanye ni no you dey pie wo
na wan wan no na ma akwai fo bi refinidin sa buku ya wo kan ya je se wo kan 10 times and san what ya see
and you kru book na okay dey better
Shakespeare wo se oba anwo no ya anwo no
okay yeah that will be doing be
dey koma nana mama
asanjina ko the birthday
ina Sergio Manucho
Sergio Mark Brown
and Becca. Happy birthday.
Okay, Hasayati, Hasayati. Adom praise. Adom praise. Adom praise.
Only God can stop us now.
106.3 FM.
Jim FM 106.3. Tough.
Only God can stop us now.